This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by placing 10 fresh mint leaves and 2 lime wedges into a sturdy mixing glass. Add 2 TSB sugar. Gently muddle just enough to release oils and juice. Press, do not shred, because bruised mint tastes bitter. Once done, add 2 more lime wedges to extract remaining juice and dissolve the sugar. Make sure to chill your serving glass now so the cocktail stays colder longer. This step preserves aroma and keeps dilution controlled as you continue. Next, you pour 2 Oz white rum directly over the muddled mint and lime. This dissolves any remaining sugar and captures flavor. Add crushed ice to just below the rim. Crushed gives rapid chilling and predictable dilution, whereas cubes slow melt. Once filled, stir gently for about 10 to 15 seconds so the spirit, citrus, and mint marry without overly bruising leaves. Make sure to taste. If too tart, add 0.5 Oz simple syrup. If too sweet, a squeeze of fresh lime fixes it. Finally, you top the mixture with about 4 Oz chilled soda water, pouring slowly to preserve carbonation and create a clean top layer. Stir once gently to integrate, then garnish with a sprig of mint. Slap it between your hands first to wake the oils, and a lime wheel on the rim. If your mojito tastes bitter, make sure you didn't overmuddle the mint. Next time, muddle faster and lighter. If it lacks fizz, use colder soda or more ice to prevent flatness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.